Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I'm working on a square card with an edge. Let's get started. Today I'm going to be using the hot air balloon stamp set, as well as the matching dies and the masterfully made DSP. I'm going to start out by inking up the hot air balloon with Versamark ink, adding Pretty Peacock, stamping, and then I'm going to add clear embossing powder. And I'm going to heat set. And that one's ready to be die cut. I'm going to add some crushed curry ink, a piece of scrap basic white, and die cut that as well. I'm also die cutting some clouds and some extra pieces for the balloon. I have a scrap of DSP that measures 1.5 by 3 7/8. I'm going to tear this edge kind of following the pattern here. And I'm going to pull it backwards so I don't have the white edge on the top. Or at least not as much of it. My card base here measures 4 1/4 by 8 1/2, and it's scored down the middle at 4 1/4 inches. I'm just going to fold that in half and burnish my score line. I have a matte piece of Pretty Peacock measuring 4 by 4 inches. And I have a piece of basic white cardstock measuring 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. And I have my blending brush with Azure Afternoon ink. So I'm going to ink up my brush, start off my paper, and make myself an Azure Afternoon sky. And I want it to be a little bit darker towards the bottom than at the top. To adhere my sky to my Pretty Peacock piece. And then I'm going to adhere the grass to assemble my balloon. So this piece here is going to go across the middle of my balloon. And this bit here, I need to add some glue to the back of it. And so I'm just going to take my multi-purpose glue, make a little puddle on a scrap here, and dip this piece in the glue and add it to my balloon. And then I'm going to add my basket, putting some sticky at the bottom. And there's my basket. I'm also going to add dimensionals only to the bottom portion of the balloon, because the top part is going to hang up above the card base. Adhere this to our card base. So my balloon is going to go right here. And this will fit in a regular envelope, so it has to be under 5 1/2. Taking up like that. And I'm going to stamp my sentiment in Pretty Peacock ink. So I'm going to add just liquid glue on the back of my cloud. A little heavy-handed there. One coming. There. The other one hanging off the edge just a tiny bit. And then a little bit more shine. Going to add some Wink Stella to the clouds. I tucked a few gems under the edge of the hot air balloon for even more sparkle, and we have a matching envelope. Subscribe to my channel so you never miss an update. And if you love this and want even more, join my email list. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.